One of the smartest things I think you guys did was when this whole tariff thing went on with the US. I noticed that you marked on your website the tires that are made in Canada. Have you noticed an upswing in sales for Canadian-made tires? Because of that?
At first,
first
we
4 or
had,
5
we had a
months.
bunch of questions. Yeah, very quickly. Actually,
No States product.
right.
Yeah.
It was more about I don't want tires made in the
The
US rather than I want tires made in Canada.
So how do you circumvent that? How, like, is that even possible? Do you control that? How do you?
I mean, you have options. You have options depending on what you want to buy. Not all tires are made in the US. I mean, most of them are made outside the US. Actually, I would say. So if you have a pickup truck, for example, it's likely that one of the tires you want is going to be made in the US. But most of the time, it's made in South America, in Mexico, in Europe, in Japan as well. For Japanese
PRC?
brands. Yes, for entry level.
It's People Republic of China.
Most entry level brands are made in China, and also some of the major brands make tires in China to some extent. But yeah,
But it
mostly
doesn't mean, for
Indonesia,
example, a
Vietnam.
company that use a known company use China. It doesn't mean that the quality is less.
Right. That's an
They
important
have
point,
they
yeah.
have they have requirement that they need to follow.
China doesn't mean bad quality.
No.
At all, actually. They have great factories and they make really high quality products as well. So if a product is made by major brands in China, it's still made by the major brand, right?